Classical scholarly texts are full of layered references. A phrase may belong to a base text, a commentary, a gloss, or a later citation chain. Hermeneut turns this from a blind search problem into an evidence-first agent workflow. Hermeneut is built for scholars who need proof, not just answers. It searches curated libraries, discovers source candidates, checks OCR evidence, and keeps uncertain leads separate from verified claims.
We begin in library mode, enter a difficult phrase from the commentary tradition, and start the investigation.
The result is not just a match. It shows the exact quote, author, work, source, location, citation hint, and verification status. The debug trace shows the elastic retrieval and scoring steps in a sanitized form. Under the hood, Hermeneut plans the task, retrieves context from elastic, uses Gemini for reasoning, and keeps human verification in the loop. Now we test the same phrase in open discovery outside the curated library. Here we enable web research and source discovery options, so the agent can look beyond the library while still following a controlled search policy. The agent finds external source leads, starts processing selected candidates, and checks whether OCR/indexed text can support the phrase. In this run, the sources produce leads, but no reliable textual match. So Hermeneut keeps the result as a weak lead instead of turning it into a claim. This is the key reliability behavior. Open discovery can discover and process sources, but source leads are not evidence. Hermeneut only upgrades a result when indexed text supports it. Now we move to the library workspace, where Hermeneut organizes sources as scholarly works, not just files. In works, the library is grouped by text layers: base texts, commentaries, glosses, witnesses, authors, and searchable passage counts. Relationships shows the scholarly graph, how works and source witnesses connect across the library. Catalog inbox collects Gemini-generated proposals, so metadata and relationship changes can be reviewed before becoming canonical. Catalog health highlights weak OCR, unresolved metadata, and records that need curator attention.
Finally, we add a new PDF source to the library. Here, the upload flow registers the work, stores the file, and prepares it for OCR indexing.
Once it is processed, we open the source in the OCR editor. The editor shows the original PDF page next to the OCR text, so a scholar can compare the transcription against the source image. Gemini can audit the OCR output and suggest corrections, but the human reviewer decides whether to apply them. After approval, the correction is saved, and the source can be re-indexed as cleaner, searchable evidence. For large libraries, manuscript collections, and research institutes, Hermeneut is more than a search box.
It turns digitized collections into auditable research infrastructure, searchable evidence, reviewable metadata, relationship graphs, and citable findings.